Hi, this is Harbir Singh here live at CES 2019 at the Digital Health Summit Studio. I'm here today with Gary Rosenblum, the president of Oticon. Gary,
Nice to meet you.
Great to meet you. Great to have you here.
Thanks for having me.
Tell us a little bit more about Oticon.
So Otakon is the world's #2 hearing aid manufacturer, based in Denmark with facilities all over the world.
Wow. So what differentiates Oticon from everybody else?
Good question. We launched a product a couple years ago called Oticon Open, which has really revolutionized hearing care for consumers. We kind of moved away from a concept in hearing care called directionality. We launched a new technology called Open Sound Navigator, which scans someone's head about 100 times a second, so they're hearing speech and noise from all different directions. It's been a real revolution in hearing care and why we've done quite well in the marketplace.
Great. Yeah, and I heard you were introduced in CES in 2017 and had won some awards as well?
Yeah, so we've won awards the last 3 years, which is really exciting. Okay, this year we won an innovation award for our new application, which is called Kaizen, which is the first artificially intelligence-driven assistant for people with hearing loss.
Okay, so let's dig deeper into that.
Absolutely.
Artificially intelligent
assistance
for hearing. How does that work? What does that mean?
Sure. So it's an app, first of all. So a consumer would download the app.
Okay.
And the app then scans, in connection with the Oticon Open hearing aid, it scans the environment and it takes in data from the environment of the consumer. Mm-hmm. And whether it's a specific environment, whether it's a crowded room like we're in right now, or a quiet room, or a crowded restaurant, or listening to music, and the app then takes in all that information and it gives suggestions to the consumer as to what they should do with their hearing aid setting. So, for example, in a crowded room like we're in right now, they would choose the focus setting, which allows them to hear better somebody who's one-on-one like I'm talking to you right now.
Okay, so it combines their behavior while taking input from their external environment, and then they would adjust it, and then it basically learns it on its own.
Exactly right. So after a while, it doesn't necessarily need to prompt the consumer anymore. It simply learns and adjusts accordingly. So it's really cool for the consumer to have this, because ultimately, as they're using their hearing aid more and more, their experience with their hearing loss actually improves.
Okay, that's pretty amazing. And so, and your hearing aid is also internet based. Tell me a little bit more about that as well.
Sure. So in 2016, when we launched Oticon Open, it was the first internet-connected hearing aid. So directly to iOS, you could stream Netflix, you could stream anything you want to. You can answer your phone, and it streams it's directly connected to your iPhone. So that was another big plus for us when we launched the product. So
wow,
pretty exciting.
That sounds like some pretty fascinating things. So. Mm-hmm. Where can people go to learn more about this?
So you can go to oticon.com, or you can go to oticon.com/CES, and all the details about Kaizen are there as well. So we're pretty excited about the launch.
Yeah, it sounds like you guys are doing some amazing things, and it's been a pleasure to have you here.
Thanks. Appreciate it.
Yeah. This is Harbir Singh, live at CES 2019 at the Digital Health Summit Studio, sponsored by Living in Digital Times.